Hi everybody. I'm going to share this with you again. I know I'd sent directions out a while ago, and Matt Carlstrom asked me to reshare and resend. What I'm going to show you is how to set up the 612 student survey for teachers for this fall. You're being asked to give it tomorrow, first hour. I believe you can also give it to other students if you'd like, but we're going to have everybody give it first hour tomorrow. And it's to gauge student engagement and see kind of areas of growth for you as a teacher. This is part of our evaluation plan, and so that's why you're being asked to do this. I believe we'll also do this again in the spring so that you can compare results from now, so we sort of have a baseline to what we're seeing in the spring. You should have just received an email from me. It looks like at about 12:43, I reshared the survey with you. You can also go into Google Docs, or excuse me, Google Drive, and go in the shared with me folder. And it should show up in there as well. You'll either see it from me or the 612 student survey is what it's called. I'm just going to go ahead in the email and hit open and form. Some of you may have already done this, and you can disregard what I'm. You don't need to watch the rest of this message. Go ahead and hit open in forms. It's going to open it up. So this survey is the template, but we want you to make your own survey. So that way only you can see the results. If you use this survey that I just sent, use the template, everybody will be able to see your results. So we want you just to have your results, only you can see them, and so that you can reflect and grow from them. All right, so what you need to do in order to make it so that you have your own copy of the survey is you're going to go up to these three dots, click on them, hit make a copy. You can rename it. So I'm going to name this Mr. Anderson 612 students share survey. You don't want to share it with anybody. So do not click this. It'll just be yours and go ahead and hit OK. Then in order to probably, what I would recommend is to go ahead and close the previous one, keep this one open. You can see the new one, Mr. Anderson survey. It is not shared with anybody else. If you want to confirm that, you can click on send and click on add collaborators down here. You can see that it's only shared by me. Nobody else can see it. All right. So how do you get it to students? I've had that question several times. Probably the easiest way is we're going to share a URL with students. So you're going to hit send. See this little link button right here? This little symbol right here means link. So we're going to click there. We get this really long link. We're going to select shorten URL. And this is what you'll share with kids. You can either put it on your whiteboard. You could copy it and paste it into Schoology. If you know how to create QR codes, you could use this link to create QR codes, and then the kids could just scan it. So any one of those ways, you could have kids get to this survey. So you can put it on the whiteboard, just write this link up on the whiteboard, or project this link, paste it into Schoology, have them open it, create a QR code with it. You could email it to them as well if you'd like, depending on how many kids you have in class. So you want to go ahead and see where it says copy, copy the link. And so now you have that link saved. You can paste it any place that you want. All right, once you're done, so I don't have any responses to my survey, but once you're done and you want to see your results, go ahead and click on responses. You can see it's accepting results right now. I don't have any results that I can see. Back out of here, I'm going to jump over and we'll show you some other surveys that I have done, or some other Google Forms that I've done, and where you can look at the results. Going to go in here. Here's biology test, chapter 1. Okay, so here's a test that I gave in or some kind of chapter 1 test I gave in biology. Okay, you can see that I have 47 responses. I'm going to take a look at that one. I can see a nice pie chart. And the type of graph that's displayed is dependent on the type of question that's asked and the type of data that's collected. But so you can see we have these nice pie charts to look at results. You can go ahead and hit view responses in Sheets, and it will launch a spreadsheet here.